Hey guys, as you can see here, I'm in town. This is my father-in-law's house, and what I'm doing is a hobby. I do beekeeping, so there's things you can do to get out of the house. I made this. It's called a swarm trap. It's a bigger box than usual. Put some vent holes in it. This is where the bees go in, but I left a little spot right there so that the birds can't get in there and build a nest. I use a cloth inner cover, just kind of, it's really canvas. I get that at Hobby Lobby. And then the lid is actually screwed on. And some people use ratchet straps, but I just screw it in there with deck screws. Just some short deck screws where it goes, just penetrates through. Here, here, and here, and here. And I use long screws going through this way. As you can see, it ain't going nowhere. And this whole thing cost me probably $12 to do. I got the paint. It was a mismatched outdoor decking paint. Somebody didn't like the color, so they brought it back to Lowe's or Home Depot, excuse me. I got that for, I think it was $9 for the paint. And I put out several of these today. I just wanted to show you one. See, like I said, you can put these up pretty much anywhere. And what this does, it gives you free bees. So you don't have to put a lot of money in to get started with beekeeping. And it's a non-technical hobby, and I do technical stuff for a living. And right now things are slow because of the coronavirus. Everybody's tired of hearing about it, but it is what it is. So I'm out putting these out, and I'm gonna try to put out 20 or 30. And they say there's a 60% success rate with it, so I should at the end of the season have roughly 10 to 15 hives. So maybe I'll do a video of how I make these boxes. This is just simply outdoor. These are 1x6 I got at Lowe's. I'll just cut it here and here, and I use the regular 2x4 cut on an angle to do that. Like I said, please like and subscribe, and if I catch a swarm in one of these, I'll post a video of that too. So if you're looking for a hobby to get into, you don't have to buy bees. You can go out and catch them. And you don't have to be in the country. Like I said, I'm in the middle of a neighborhood. So my father has a pool, and bees are attracted to the pool for chlorine. They drink the water and they can smell the chlorine. So they keep coming back to this area. So they know this area has a water source for them. So I figure I'll catch bees here. So I put them, I can't do massage right now. That's my other job. So I'm out doing this right here. Please like and subscribe. Any comments are welcome.